Please, here.
Sure.
I'll go stand out on the bow.
Let's check it out. This is our first
Going in the water. First outing. What? Any water coming in back there at all? Motor, you know, underneath the motor is where I'm kind of thinking.
There was a little bit of water, kind of just like dripping, but...
Okay, but it's not filling up under there, right?
Okay.
There's the captain. My captain, my captain.
Yow!
There's the little one. There's Joey in the back. Hey, Joey! Say hi!
What up?
And back around. Oh, this is Kevin. Hey.
Now this door's gonna drive me crazy when it don't stay open. You're gonna have to bungee it open or something. Or shove that under it.
What's it under this side?
What's that? Yeah.
I feel like I was on the boat.
That works. I'm gonna try and give it a little speed.
Alright. Takes forever to get up on it.
I didn't give it much. Just a little bit.
So what's the lane here? I've never actually...
Those green buoys have to remain on our right. We're 13 feet right now, so we're golden.
It looks like we're going this way. I think we should
kind of blowing it kind of here. Stand here and drive.
Find a way to pipe it up to the top so you can steer to the top. You have to have it split tank or... You said that was what?
Take me in there. I had a boat for years. I should be grandfathered in, but yeah. Maybe you can go online and get one.
Sure.
Give me that. Alright, you can take the engine out. Just stay about, 20 feet away from those green ones and keep them on your right. You're golden.
Looks like it's still going good. No issues. Lots of fuel. Not taking on any water. Very cool. Very cool. We're looking good. We're going on top. Okay. Very nice. That railing looks a little bent. On top. We're underway. Captain's Bay Marina. Looking good. Alright, I'm going back down. Oh, that makes me sick. Hey! What's up?
You're upside down. What's up with that?
You're going upside down.